Alright, here we go. So today we're going to show you how to use Screencastify so you can use that for your final project. Screencastify is a way to record your screen and or your face, right, while you are presenting something. So for your final project, if you want to present something, you can present something that you created on Google Slides, Docs, whatever it might be. You could show, it doesn't have to be that. You could go to a website. You could, however you're going to have your presentation, right, whatever you're going to show, you want to record it. Alright, and so this is a way to record that. Okay, I'm just going to give you the tool in which to do that. So basically you're going to search up Screencastify if you don't already have it. You're going to search up Screencastify screen video recorder. Click on, right, in the Google bar right here, right? Click on that website, right? And then you're going to hit Add to Chrome, right? If you already have it, it'll say Remove from Chrome. Obviously I already have it. So now that we have added that, it's called an extension. Extensions appear in your top right. Okay? And the extension, the way it looks is this. It's an arrow going to the right with a webcam or old school video recorder in there, right? And it's right up here. Okay? So that's just where it is, and that's how you download it. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of the issue. My advice is this. Whatever you're going to show, right, for your presentation, already have it open. So let's pretend that I wanted to show this Google drawing and I wanted to talk about it, right? I'm already going to have it open. Now, if I had another Google slide, doc, if I had a website I was going to show, already have it open so you can easily get to it and not waste any time, okay? So the next process, the next step, is to all you have to do is hit the icon right here in your extensions, right? Left click on that or click on it on your Chromebook, okay? And the default should be set to desktop. Make sure your microphone is working because, you know, you have this little bar going up and down, right? That's going to let you know that the microphone is working. And then toggle this over to the right, right? Embedded webcam, okay? Now, I'm going to show you what you can do with the webcam. You don't have to have it on the whole time, but just click it on for our purposes. And the next thing you do, all you do is hit record, okay? And what's going to happen is, let me move this out of the way. It's going to give you a little box right here, and you're just going to click on the screen that's shown right here, and then you're going to hit share. Once you do that, you have 3 seconds right before your video starts. Alright, so now we have the webcam over here on the right, okay? What you could do with this is you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, you can move it anywhere you want, okay? Or you could simply just get rid of it, right? So this part's going to be up to you. When do you want to show yourself, right, for how long, and where on the screen, okay? Notice how I just got rid of that. How do you bring it back? Well, down here, okay, this is your toolbar, and you can move this around as well, okay? And if you hit Start Webcam, it brings it back. Stop Webcam, it takes it away, right? So you choose when and where you want to add that, okay? Another couple things you could do with this screen recording in your toolbar here is via the mouse, right? You could do a focus mouse. You could focus in on things if you click right here. You could do just a classic pointer. And you could do something really cool if you hit fireworks and you left click. Wow, wow, so cool, right? Or you could just simply, when you click, it becomes a circle. Okay, and then you just hit save that. Okay, so if I wanted to have the focus and I hit save, it'll always be there. Okay, I could always go back to the mouse and then change something to regular and then hit save mouse. So that'll save your settings there. What else you could do is you could hit pen, okay, pick a color and just start writing. All right, do a little happy face. And then when you're done with that, you can just hit clear screen to get rid of it, okay? And you can go like that. You can move this around. Basically, just play around with these tools, okay? Next thing you could do is you could add rectangles. I don't know, you know, why you would do that, but you could if you wanted to. And then you could hit back, and it keeps it. If you hit rectangle again, you could hit clear screen, and it takes it away, okay? You could add stickers. If you left click on that, you have a bunch of stickers to pick from where you could just click down and post it, right? however you want to use that. You don't have to use that, but always keep it 100, right? And now you could hit back if you want to keep it there, or you can clear your screen, okay? And then obviously if you have something written, right, say you have something written right here, you could hit the eraser and just erase what you did, okay? Simple as that, okay? Now when you're done with your recording, right, one thing to note is obviously you can go back between tabs, right? So say I'm talking about something and I want to add, my face. I can just go like that, and I can talk. I can make it smaller just to reiterate what I said earlier, okay? And I can hit stop webcam. I can go between different tabs, right? That's why we chose desktop recording. When I'm done, right, I'm going to hit stop. But let's say that you need to take a break for a second to gather your thoughts. You can always hit pause, right? Once you hit pause, right now I'm not recording, right? So I can gather my thoughts or whatnot. And then when I'm done, I would just hit stop, right? To get back to the recording after you paused it, you just hit play, okay? Now say I'm done with my recording, I would just hit stop, okay? And what this does is it brings you to a separate tab, okay, in which it starts to play it for you, right? So everything I just did, it's playing right now. I can hit this right here, so I can hear the audio, right? And I could pause it, right? And I could, just flip through it and see if it's good to go. If it's good to go, I could just hit copy shareable link. Because what it does is that it links to your Google Drive, and now when you want to share it with somebody, it gives you a Google Drive link, okay? And what's really cool about this is even if you forget to hit copy shareable link to send to your teacher, in your drive, right, it creates a folder called Screencastify, okay? And all your recordings are right here, as you can see, okay? So that's where you find it, right? In your Screencastify folder that it creates for you in your Google Drive. If you ever want to send it again, that's where you go, okay? Or you could just copy the link right away and send it to your teacher. Now, there's a couple other things you could do. You could edit your video. I'm going to save that for another video. I just wanted to just show you the basics of how to do a screen recording, okay? So, any questions, contact me or Melissa. Or ask your teacher to contact the ITFs in the building. All right, have a great day.